This is the FUJIBONNY fan, 42-inch with an LED of 3 different kelvins, 3000, 4500, 6000 Kelvin. We could turn the light off and on, and it changes to the different kelvins. The fan has a gentle breeze mode and more. We're going to show you what the fan is about, how to set up, and if you're interested in a sailing fan. FUJIBONNY makes a wooden and metal sailing fan, 42 inches. Comes with the manual. Check online for the color you are looking for. It has a DC motor. This one's a white covering. You hook up the LED light system and the wiring. Each of the blades individually wrapped in plastic. They're wooden, lightweight, painted. Up shot at the paint. The remote controller, transmitter, and receiver. Your LED light kit, metal, frosted plastic, and your cosmetic cover and bracket. Inside the package is your screw and hardware kit, everything you need to install. The first thing we need to do is get our tools. We need to locate where we're going to hang and we're going to assemble. So we have our blades. They go one particular way and they're marked to the sailing. So we're going to take this, flip our blade around, and place it on like so. We're given a washer and a set bolt. Place in the washer to the set bolt and place on. And what you're going to do is screw down into here, over the rubber, all 3 blades. I take my drill, I match up, and I start to screw down. I hold the bottom, and I screw down. I now line up the next hole and lock everything down. And I repeat the same for the next 2. This is the LED. A little damp hand. They come off. Place on, slide over, and adjust to the holes and lock down. On the module, male, place into the female slot and slide in and lock into place. A little trouble, a little finesse. Push in, snaps in, give it a little tug, and look for the holes and lock down. Placing on the cover later, it goes on and rotates. There are 3 notches. Carefully rotate around and allow it to lay flat on your table. You have 3 wide bolts that need to come off. When you take these bolts off, you're going to take the cover and take the bolts on the side off. Put the other bolts to the side. Take the bolts off. Rotate the cover off to the side. Take this cover and the cables slide through. Place over the open holes and place back the bolts on. When all secured and locked down, unwrap the tie wrap. The receiver has a blue and white color. You're going to match like for like with the notch and the clip together and lock on. You have a red, white, and black. Same thing. Look for the clip, the notch, lock on. You have another wire that is going to be brown. Over here and here, this is your lighting. Snap together. You have your load and neutral and your remote control antenna. Simply lay inside and go hook up your power next. All right, the next step is to take your bracket and just simply find the area you want to hook up, cement, wood, a junction box. Your lead gets ran through and hooked up, like so. You have a lanyard hook. You can hang your light. You have your loads and neutrals. The black is your load. Hook up. Tuck all your leads in and hook your ground up. And match up the open hooks and lock down. Rotate your receiver if you're having difficulty hooking up. With the bolts, match up the hole to the bolt and lock in. Find a location that you enter and exit that you use your remote control to hang its bracket on the wall. Pick a spot and just simply lock down with the supplied screw. AAA batteries of your choice, place into the remote control and lock down. This is what the remote control looks like. Everything that you need on the remote works for the fan. We need to do one more thing, that is, take the cover, place up, and simply rotate it on. Once it's rotated on and locked in, we are ready to turn our fan on. We have a off and on, an LED indicator, a light indicator, 6 levels of speed, the fan off, 1, 4, and 8 hour timer, a breeze, a reversal, a dim and increase light area, an audible beep sound, and a schedule. Fans are to be hung 7 feet minimum. Low profile ceilings and fans will need to be put higher up. This fan is made of white. It's got a light, wooden blades, and we're going to turn on our power. The light comes on and hits speed number 3. The fan goes in a CW clockwise position in a 3rd speed. The fan is quiet in dB levels. We have a off that we hit the off. It'll slow down and shut off. To turn the light off, simply hit the light in the off position and back on to change the Kelvin. 3,000, 4,500, and 6,000 Kelvin, depending on the lights you have. It's on and off to change the Kelvin of the light. To dim the light, simply hold and press the button in increments. Hit the breeze. The fan starts up. It goes into speed 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 2, 1, like that, in different intervals of speed to create breeze. We have a beep, a high-pitched sound, if you can hear it, and the schedule. This fan is not wireless. It's a fan of remote control with the wall switch to turn on and off. If we turn the wall switch off, the fan will stop. If we turn the switch on, the fan will come back on to the different Kelvin, and then you will have to start your fan. This is the fan, how it works. The FUJIBONNY fan, 19 watts, 10%, lamp power, 17 watts, 110 to 265 VAC, 50-60 hertz. I hope you enjoy your fan. If this is something that you are looking for your kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, child's room, anywhere that you need to put a fan, 42-inch diameter. Thank you for viewing.